I'm sorry I didn't upload daily yesterday. We were busy. When I mean by busy, I meant trying some tricks on my bike. Ah! Alright, let's go, guys.
Yeah, let's go up. It's already dirty so many.
I'm so dirty from last summer.
30 is yours, Jack. I don't think I try to catch up, Cam.
I'm just gonna get the footage of Michael. So I'm technically a spectator, but I'm still good. By the way, you guys are pretty much on the same bike as Michael's, just his is upgraded and mine's got a GoPro. Let's just go car. The Jeffy 12 is behind us. Speed up, laugh out loud, Lord. Speed up, laugh out loud, We're just gonna cruise through the mud. Yeah. Jeff, ready to get muddy? You gotta check it first. Alright, you gotta be able to see the mud. Nice. Get the muddy. There we go. Alright.
Did you pick that footage of the bunny?
No, I didn't. Here we go. I think it's dry.
Yeah, still careful. It's big hole.
Yep, I got it.
Yeah, right up.
Bonnie! Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Of the Bonnie, yeah. Let's go.
Jack, keep up, camera.
Should we make a new series for this? Should we make a new series for this? We've only got 10 minutes to do it. Hey, don't.
I see the lake. We got a lake view up here.
Yeah, we're gonna throw you guys in there.
You can find a rope.
Actually, yeah, I could, but I don't have a rope. It's only a pond. No. This is a pond.
I know the ship.
It's almost dead. It's almost dead. Look. Please, really quick. We have to go. We have to go.
Wait up.
The camera's almost dead. Alright. Guys, the camera is almost dead. Yeah. What? Let's see, I think we're 3 minutes. I can't tell because the Is there like trucks down here? What? Yeah, no. Jeff, so much for you've got the best bike. Woo! I think we have to go on Rock Road.
No, wait, stop.
What?
Slow down, stop.
What? Let's keep going.
Oh,
Where are they?
right here.
Where?
Is that deer?
If you guys know what footprint this is in the comments, you guys will get a shout out.
Yeah.
Alright. No, I don't think that's fine. You asked. Alright, let's go. Kickstand still up. You can see the pond. Now we'll watch it all together. Oh, that would have been close. Let's get mommy. Wobble pobble. There's some. Then we're here. There's, I guess, the lake. Here's the entrance of the lake. No, we can't throw it in though. What? Nah, I'm not gonna drop. Nope. Nope. Alright, well, can you? Nope. Alright, well, I need the money first. We go through? Look, just getting some look. Yeah, did you literally go? Alright, wait. Where am I? Michael, why are you walking it? You're just flying right through. He's a Jack. He is the best off-road bike. Oh, here we go. Here we go, mates. Woo! We might have to do that. Oh, jeez, I'm so soaked. Funny thing is, I don't think the GoPro got wet at all. Michael's walking his bike. Michael! Michael! Alright, another splash. Let's go get the footage back. Nah, I gotta get this.
You didn't get it on camera.
I got it on camera. It's facing up. Oh my god! Oh. I'm soaked from that. We head back? Woo, that's nice. We head back? We're gonna go back the easy way and the hard way.
Go back to. Julie, wait, get your camera up.
Yeah, go, watch it, go. Ah! Second time through, guys. We got to roll over the cliff. I'm completely soaked. Oh, we did that. Now I'm soaked. Yo, we gotta edit footage too. Alright guys, we might have to. I will. I'll let you when we're done. Yeah. Yeah, I need to know your phone number so I can send it to you. Well, then can you? Well, can you get your parents to? I might need to actually go onto your channel and do it. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Here. I'm guessing you can copy my channel. When it's done, you can just add it to your channel too, okay? Alright. I know, all the flipping mud.